Anthony Fasano from the Engineering Management Institute, and I'm here at the New Jersey Turnpike Authority headquarters with Executive Director John Keller. Really thrilled to be here, and we did a full podcast episode. However, in this Engineering Manager 80/20 Shorts video, I want to ask John about his career specifically. John, you've had a successful career. We went through the whole thing on the podcast, but throughout your career, oftentimes there are things that are kind of driving steps towards your progression or your success. And a lot of times certain things stand out when you look back on your career. What is one step, decision, action that you took that stands out for you that really helped drive your career growth?
For me, it was absolutely coming to New Jersey Turnpike Authority. Seeing a project from the authority side, from the public side, is much different than the private side. When I came over to the authority and now projects were mine. You run the project. So you had consultants, you had contractors and construction supervision, but you felt a sense of ownership. You see a project just totally different. There's so much more than plans and specs. There's dealing with other government agencies. There's the financing side of it, the scheduling, that with other projects in the area. There's the political side, that we're doing a project that might impact communities around. How does that get involved? So there's so much more to it that I really think coming to the authority was a great engineering decision and career decision for myself.
Right. So as you said there, rather than seeing one component of an engineering project, when you're at kind of from the authority perspective, you're seeing 360 everything and everything that impacts that.
Right.
Which I would imagine now in your position as executive director is extremely valuable from having all that experience, because now you have to probably oversee that on many projects.
Absolutely. I have a good understanding of how important the law department is, or operations, because after you build something, how are they going to take over? Of course, the maintenance of it, the finance portion of it, the tolling. The tolling is a whole animal in itself. Before coming down to this position, learning about interoperability and reciprocity and back offices, and it's a totally different experience than I could have gotten if I stayed in the private sector.
There you have it. Once again, John Keller, Executive Director of the New Jersey Turnpike Authority, the first engineer to assume that role. We did a full podcast episode that you can find in the link here in this video. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you, John.
Thank you.